I am John Morena from Entry Music Service. I am a percussionist, and I'm here to demonstrate Yamaha's entry-level electronic drum kit. I am sitting behind the DTX 402K. An electronic drum kit is nice because you can plug headphones into it, which can allow you to play at nighttime with headphones so you're not disturbing your neighbors or even disturbing other family members. But you can also hook it up to a speaker like I am doing now so you can play under normal conditions. So this thing features 10 pre-programmed drum kits, and I'm going to demonstrate some of the sounds that they have. First one is pop. And here's the rock kit. Here's a jazz kit. They also have a metal drum kit, which is fascinating because they take your hi-hat pedal and turn it into a second bass drum pedal. And I'm going to demonstrate in a minute, but they also have an auxiliary in port in here, which allows you to play along to your favorite tracks. So you can load up your favorite metal song and you can play along to it. And along to these 10 pre-programmed drum kits, they also have 10 pre-programmed play-along songs. And with these songs, you can have the drums in the background, or you can take the drums out so that way you are the only drummer. So here's back to the pop song that they have with the drums in it. And if we take the drums out, so one of the best features about this kit, especially since it's an entry-level kit, is that each of the drum pads and the cymbals have a velocity sensor, which can tell how hard you are hitting the drum. And it will change the sound based on how hard you are hitting it. So if I play on the snare drum here, you can hear it changes the sound based on how hard I'm hitting it. It does the same thing on the ride cymbal. You can play on the ride, you can also play on the bell of the ride. So those are just a few of the great features behind this kit. There are a lot more. There are 287 drum and percussion samples built into this thing so you can customize each of the 10 drum sets that they have. This has been a demonstration on the Yamaha DTX 401K.